Hello YouTube, this is the Yin-Yang Investor and I hope this video finds you well. Time flies, we're already halfway through 2024 and that means it's time for our third quarter net worth update. Let's dive right into it. Let's take a look at my asset changes. Since April, my cash equivalent, which is checking, savings, and cash account, have dropped by 122,000. This means I have deployed some of my capital into investment and paying off debt. Okay, precious metals. Gold and silver have just been on a tear this year and increased by almost 10% since 3 months ago. And my gold and silver are worth roughly $185,000. And this is great. I would like to keep my precious metals around 10% of my assets, and I haven't been adding to it for years just because they just keep going up and up and approximately maintaining 10%. So this is good news. Equities went up from 440,000 to 525,000. Okay. Mostly attributing to my contributions, but also because S&P 500 keeps breaking record day after day. Okay, I think the stock market is a bit overvalued, but I'm not going to jump in and out the market. Okay, I'm just going to take the ride. I don't have any valuables. Vehicles, I'm discounting it by $1,000 this month. I have a 2020 Toyota Corolla with 40,000 kilometers, which is 30,000 miles. I think the car market has been calmed now with the supplier issues resolving, so I don't think it's worth that much. So I discounted by $1,000. My principal residence, I'm not changing its value. However, a big change is because I have acquired a partial ownership in a farm property. Okay, I can't wait to tell you more about it after me and my sister close on it later this year. We can dive into it. I'm 10% minority owner just to help out my sister, and it is fun, right? So, and it's great to own a big portion of land. My rental property, unfortunately, I'm trying to sell it right now. I was going to rent it out, but it's turning out to be a flip. Okay, I'm having some trouble. The market is really slow. The price haven't changed too much, but the market is really slow and it's sitting. As a result, I've discounted its value by 10,000. I don't have any business right now, and my pension has gone down by $12,000. I'm trying to cash it out this year, but I'm just trying to find the maximum value possible before cashing it out. And with the persisting high inflation and interest rate, the bond rate and the pension value is not doing very well. Okay, all in all, my total asset increased by $150,000 to 3.06 million. Okay. Now let's look at my debt. I have a $2,000 credit card balance, which I paid off a few days later. My car loan, congratulations to myself. I took out 0.1% interest car loan for 4 years, and this month is when I paid it off. So I have eliminated my car loan. I don't have any student loan. I don't have any line of credit. I did have to borrow $90,000 from my parents to top up my investment account, but by the pace of my income earning potential, I'll probably pay this off by the end of the year. Okay, no problem. Paid off $9,000 in personal real estate loan, and my regular mortgage payment, I paid that off by $8,000. So all in all, my total debt amounts to $1.25 million, and that have gone up by $70,000. Let's take a look at my overview. Okay, my asset went up by 150K. My debt went up by 70K because my asset growth exceeded my debt growth. My net worth has now reached $1.81 million, gone up by 75K from 3 months ago. Okay, so if you remember from last video, I made the I set the goal of reaching $2 million by year end. Okay, am I still on track? I think it's going to be very tight. Okay, because this month, this quarter, obviously, I hadn't made too much progress. I've just been mostly carried by the record-setting pace of precious metals and the stock market. Okay, is that going to continue for the next 6 months? I'm not sure. If the market takes a turn and have a little bit of correction, I might not reach this goal. Okay, but I'm still gonna make every effort to save as much as possible, to keep investing, and as well as looking to reduce this debt. Okay, once I sell my flip property, the debt should be come down almost by half. Okay, I used to be a very risk-taking. I want to take out as much debt as possible, invest in real estate, but now I just turned 30. Okay, so my risk tolerance and my debt tolerance has gone down quite a bit. But I think sometime this year I have to take a look at my financial strategy and what I want to do and where I want to be in the next 5 to 10 years. Okay. So, how has the first half of the year been for you? What kind of progress have you made, and are you on track to reach your goal? Let me know in the comment section below.